Back in my day, a flashlight had two modes, on and dead batteries. And you got to hunt around in all those junk drawers to find new batteries. Well, this guy right here, we don't ever have to deal with dead batteries anymore because you get two of these. So if one dies, you're good for the other one. But also, it comes with a USB-C charging, right? And so in this kit, you're going to get two of these everyday carry flashlights, which can go up to 1200 lumens out of this guy right here. So wait, there's so much into this little flashlight right here that it's kind of crazy. You have this little belt loop clippy thing right here. What I do is I kind of just put it like that. So I'm always carrying it like that. So whenever I need a flashlight, I'm good to go. When I'm camping, you never know when you're going to need a flashlight. It's really kind of diverse in all of everything you can do. You got your spotlight, which is your 1200 lumens. You just press the power button, it comes on just like that. And that's the brightest mode. If you click it one more time, it turns it off. But if you click it and then quickly click it, you go through the different modes. So it starts out coming out strong on the brightest settings. Then you have a strobe light. Then you have a SOS light right here. And then another cool thing is if you double tap it, you actually have a UV light. What a UV light is good for is if you want to check somebody's counterfeit, making sure that their dollar bill or their currency bills are good. Yep, this one's a good one. The other thing that it does, obviously you're going to be able to see pet stains. In the advertisement, which I didn't know this, but it's a great way to actually find scorpions. Who knew? I'm not a scorpion finder. It's very niche, but hey, if you need a UV light for doing that, you're scorpion hunting, or you're in a campsite, you want to check your sleeping bag. That true story happened to me once. I had a UV light, I might have been able to check for that scorpion that was in my sleeping bag. But you get UV lights for pet stains, or maybe you don't want to use it because you really don't want to know what there is. But you do have it if you want it. Now, the other thing right here is on this button right here, this is going to turn on this light right here, which is kind of cool. In both light modes, they do have what you call a memory mode. And so you can cycle through it, and just again, you press on it and it cycles through all the different modes right there. So this is going to be for like an emergency roadside mode. This is the one you want to keep it on. You let it go for a minute and then you turn it off just by simply pressing and holding. And then if you press and hold again and turn it on, it'll go back to the last mode that it was on. So that's kind of cool. You have a memory mode. I kind of like that guy right there. So we're going to leave it on that one for me. In case I do need the emergency one, then that's there. Same thing is true with the forward facing light, the 1200 lumen light. It has a memory. So whatever setting you want, if you want to come out strong or you want to start out soft, you can customize it for whatever fits your needs as well. Now, the coolest thing before we get to a nighttime test on this, because I want to test these guys out at night, is that you have a magnet on the back of this. Why is that good? Because this is going to immediately help me out for when I'm working on the truck, small projects, when I need my hands. So just kind of check this out. This magnet is super strong right there. And so it sits just like that. And now I can put that anywhere in my truck. And when I have those jobs that I need, I can pull this out of my pocket, put it in, and just magnetize it and keep my hands free, right? Because you always want to be able to have two hands when you're working on a project. Well, now you can. All right. Let's jump on over to a night test, and I'm going to see how bright these actually are. If it does what it says it does in the campground, are you going to be pulling this out? If you're walking around at night, is this going to be your pocket? Now, I sure hope it is, because look at the size of that. The pro is this thing can fit anywhere. It can fit in your pocket, in your glove box. The con is that this thing can fit anywhere. And I think that's why they actually give you two of these guys right here, because with two of these guys, you're going to probably lose one, but you have a backup. And that's kind of how I'm going to be running this, because I'm going to be like, where did I put my light? Oh, I have another one. So that's always good. All right, let's jump over and see how well it does at night. All right, here we go with night test. Now, like I said before, I mean, this guy is really bright. I guess we'll call it just a soft light. It is really bright, but this is perfect for if you're just gonna walk to the bathroom, you don't wanna wake anybody up, if you want a low light look, and you can see on the ground, it's lighting up really well. And we turn that off and then kick this one on. Now that is 1200 lumens. Look how bright that is right there. I mean, that is shining up so you can see if you're walking in a trail or you need some light, that's gonna give you almost daylight effect right down here on your feet, right here, and then all the way out, just a really nice floodlight. And that's as bright as it goes, like that. And the other thing is it does warm up quite a bit, so that if you need this as a hand warmer too, if it's a little colder, you can use that as a hand warmer, because that's warming up pretty good. And then here's your other mode. You can go dim on there, little strobe light action right there, and then your SOS if you need some help. Now, people are gonna see that for a long way for sure, that SOS. And then you have your UV light right here. And that's pretty cool. You can see that. You can see on the UV light on the tree. That's way cool. So it's interesting. You have 2 lights right here. Great for sitting around the campfire telling stories, or just making sure that the light is shining on you at all times, right? So these lights right here have quickly become one of my favorite everyday carry flashlights. I just love them because I'm always camping, I'm always going outside, and I never know when I'm gonna need a light for whether it's automotive work, camping, hiking, anything like that. I always can use a light. So if you love carrying a light in your pocket every single day, or you need a light next to you, these might just be your next do-it-all light. From the UV, this light, to the 1200 lumens, to the heated holder, in my opinion, this light does it all for you.